All right, so we've had the light open, again, preparing it for resealing. Decided to take this project a step further. We had these Dynamics 3 to 4 output demonized, which means it's 4 demoni boards. We've used them in other projects in the Morimoto XB LED headlights that have triple or quadruple projectors. But this seemed like a good opportunity to do something a little bit different. The BMWs in the aftermarket world, they're all getting the yellow DRLs, which is pretty cool. And some color changing stuff. Wanted to do something special for this 718 Cayman. This is the PDLS headlight, so it's the dynamic lighting system. It's by LED, and it comes with these factory LEDs in these 4 corners of the housing. And this is the Dynamics RGB W, W for pure white, so it's got a pure white chip. So this mode can be on and set up on these lights anytime the ignition's on or the daytime running lights is on. That's how we have these set up right now, but we'll show you the color changing aspect of this. So it'll go through the Dynamics app, which we're not going to picture and show how it works right now, but we will sift through the colors and change them. So it's got full capability for RGBW. Again, so it's RGB, so color changing, plus the white mode is separate. That's what gives us that pure white mode. So it'll change through the colors, but you can also set it on individual colors. So you come up with a color that you like, you can set it blue, red, green, and anything else in between. But we think this came out really cool. Lots of work went into making this happen, but it gives you that custom and unique fit and finish to this project. So we'll show you how everything's all set up once the lenses are back on. But this is where this project took a little bit of a unique turn, but we're excited about it.